ever wonder why Korea has the lowest birth rate in the entire world? Here's my take on it. So 초등 stands for 초등학교 1, right? That's the first review sign of Korean numbers. And then 초등 1학년 누구나, anyone. 밤 for the night. 밤 8시. So right here we use pure Korean number for the hour. 밤 8시까지 until 8 p.m. Who's gonna take care of these kids? 학교가 돌본다, in school. As a parent to a toddler, I really think government should try to reduce the hours, working hours. We shouldn't be working until 8. The policy is flexible. Parents can pick them up earlier too. But the fact that they just extend it until 8, and that doesn't really solve the issue because no kid would like to stay in school until 8 anyway if they're just first grade, right? First grade in elementary school. So it's just too crazy with the work. We're workaholic, but there's a line that you should just not be crossing and keep it there because family is more important than anything else.